Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know who I am, I basically save you money across multiple different methods, and you can tell by the title, and because you found this video, you've obviously been searching for a working method of getting free Xbox codes in 2024, also known as Xbox gift card codes. And I've managed to find a super easy method of getting you a free $100 Xbox code, and it only takes a few minutes of your time. So sit back, relax, and make sure you follow this tutorial carefully because I'm going to show you how to do it. You need to use your mobile phone, so pick up your mobile, open up an internet browser, and go to this website, guys. So pause the video, copy this website address exactly how I'm going to be saying it, and also is on screen. You need to go to www.wavycoupons.com. So you have to make sure you go directly to this website because you will not find it if you try and Google it or whatever. And when you reach this website, guys, you can scroll down and see there is tons of different pages. You can manually scroll down and look for the Xbox gift cards page, or you can hit the search bar at the top of the screen, and when you type in Xbox gift, it should just pop up. But if you start typing Xbox gift cards, so click on that page to open it up. You can see there is tons of codes left, and it's been highly rated. Pretty cool. And yeah, basically you can see at the top of the screen here, it says free Xbox gift card code, $100. And there is a button next to it that says show coupon, so tap on that button. And as you can see on my screen here, we need to unlock our Xbox gift card code. As you can imagine, these are pretty valuable codes, and people do try and steal all of the available codes from Wavy Coupons. So just basically, we need to unlock the code. Long story short. So tap unlock code. And now you're going to see this page that says Code Unlocker, which is pretty normal. You may have seen something like this before, but if you haven't, don't worry, it's pretty easy. It says here we need to complete 2 of the free offers below, and this will unlock our code and basically verify you're not a robot. So on my screen, you can see I have a list of lots of different tasks, and they're all completely free. And these tasks range from downloading free games and playing them. Alternatively, you can even just answer some questions within a survey, and it may ask for your email address. Make sure you put in your correct one, because obviously this verifies you are a real person. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'll finish 2 of these tasks on this page, and then I'll return. Okay, guys, okay, that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. I know it's annoying having to do this verification, but hey, it does get us the code, so I think it's worth it just to take your time and fully complete 2 tasks. So I went ahead and I did a survey where I had to answer some questions and then input my email. And then I just downloaded a free game and played it. I did this one at the top, so I had to play until I completed level 3. Pretty easy, but yeah, I didn't mind doing it. So now I'm pressing my tabs button. Yes, so you should see this Xbox Coupons tab down here. Open it up, and now it's given me my Xbox code. So this is a $100 code that I can redeem on my Xbox. And like I said, it's going to give me $100 directly onto my account, and I can spend it however I want. I'm probably going to pick up a game or 2, and yeah. So I'm going to be using this code very shortly. So you're going to need to get your own, guys. Go to wavycoupons.com. And I believe this is definitely the easiest method available and working for 2024. If you have any questions, you can of course leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video.